So my background's in pediatric surgery, and I love operating when it makes sense. And with hair transplant surgery, you're able to combine art, surgery, and science actually, and that unique combination is what I really enjoy. Plus, it makes a difference. I think it's in the past people would have dismissed hair or hair loss, but thankfully that's changing, and I'm really thankful to have the opportunity to do something I enjoy, combining surgery, which I love, with the art of restoring someone's hair or hairline. So I really enjoy working with people, and in this field, you get to meet a variety of people. Thankfully, I'm in a position where I'm able to work with children and also with adult males and females when dealing with hair loss. And this opportunity, or this job, just you get to meet people from different walks of life, whilst I'm doing something I really enjoy. So I a lot of feedback that I receive is about listening, so that ability to listen. And I think sadly with hair loss, people have often traveled around, met lots of different specialties, and met lots of different people before they've reached me. And unfortunately, not everyone's had a positive first experience. Being able to discuss and investigate the underlying cause of one's hair loss. I think my patients often comment on the fact that I give them room to speak whilst we're trying to address the underlying issue. What do I like? I value honesty and I value honest feedback. And actually, it's, again, I know it sounds a bit cliche, but just being able to impact people's lives positively by doing something that's considered little, really, hair surgery. Honestly, I'm thankful for that. I think my colleagues often say that I keep saying correct the correctables. And what do I mean by that? I think it's important to get to the underlying cause of one's hair loss, for example, because once you've identified the problem, you can then deal with the root cause of the problem. There's so many different medicines and hair treatments that exist. And sadly, people waste a lot of their resources and a lot of time using the wrong thing for the wrong situation. So I think it's important to identify the underlying cause of hair loss, be it a common condition like male pattern hair loss. Once you've identified it, then you can treat what's treatable and correct any correctable thing. Like in women, being low in iron, for example, might be an issue. So essentially, I'm saying don't take anything for granted, identify anything correctable, correct that, and then deal with any ongoing problems. So maybe that is my mantra.